Today we will be cleaning the Zebra ZXP Series 3. You will get two cleaning cards, a feeder cleaning card and a long cleaning card with your printer. Additional cleaning cards can be purchased at racocard.com. To clean the printer, first you go to your control panel where your printers are. Right click the Zebra printer. On this it's Printer Properties, Device Settings, under the Tools tab. We're going to go ahead and we're going to remove all of our media. And we want to make sure this is out and this is out. Let's go ahead and remove our cards. At that point, go ahead and just hit the button and it will come up to a ready state. Here on the computer, it's going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and say yes. It'll ask you to insert the long cleaning card. That's obviously the long card. Looks very similar to that. This has isopropyl alcohol on it. Go ahead and remove the long cleaning card. At this point it's asking us to insert the feeder cleaning card. Open this up. Go ahead and pull that back and firmly insert that all the way down till it stops. It'll go ahead and instruct you to close the cover. And remove the cleaning card, and you have successfully cleaned your printer.